Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install and run Claude Code using Ollama in Linux operating system. So first you are downloading and installing the Claude Code. So for this one in Google search box right there, Claude Code, then go on this claudecode.com site. Now here you can get this command desktop vscode JetBrains on way. So this is there. So first going to copy this one. Now thereafter let's open their terminal. Terminal and increasing the size little bit. So here you can see I'm using the curl. So if I write there curl minus minus version. So here you can see this is already there. So curl must be installed. Now simply need to paste this command. Now press enter. So with the help of this you can do here or download and install the Claude Code on the Linux operating system. Or this place Claude Code successfully installed. This is the version and this location. If I write there Claude minus minus version, then you can see this version that install. Then after the next is there I'm going to download and install the Ollama. So in Google search box write there Ollama, then go on this ollama.com site and this command you need to use this. And now let's paste this command. Now press enter. So installing. So here on this sudo pacman zstd. So we need to install zstd. Let's write there zstd. So for extracting the files, you need to install. Now, thereafter, using this clear command first. Thereafter, let's use this. So curl and now cleaning, downloading the Ollama. This here, Ollama that installed successfully, installing, downloading, creating, and this done here. After that, the next is the next is let's use the clear command and writing there Ollama minus minus version. So you can see this version that install. Now thereafter launching here Claude. So for this one, right there Ollama launch Claude. Launch. So this you can get there. Let's use first option. And there you need to do there sign in. So right click this and now open link. So open link. Here you need to give the continue with Gmail or you can do with GitHub. So successfully connected. Let's go back and this you can get there. First option, that's fine. And now press enter. trust the folder, and now you can write any question. Let's give there hi. So this is the version of the Cloudy, and now this you can see how can I help you. So here I can ask any question. What exactly Ollama? So what exactly Ollama? Ollama is a tool. You can here you can see Ollama is a tool that lets run large model and locally on your computer. And this here and what exactly Cloudy. So you can see this here, this all that's come there. After that, you can start using this, and here you can see this all that's come there. So this is how we can uh, launch and install Cloudy using Ollama. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.